In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the central place where you can see everyone in your account and keep access tidy and secure. Start in your Monday.com workspace. Look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This menu is your personal control center. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you may not have the right permissions yet. In that case, check with your account admin to make sure you have access to administrative settings. From that menu, click on Administration. This opens the admin area, where account-wide controls live. Think of this space as the cockpit for your workspace. It's where you shape who's in your account, what they can do, and how your organization stays compliant and efficient. Take a second to let the page load fully. Monday.com often displays multiple categories here, and you'll want to be in the right one. Next, click on Directory. The directory is your master list of people and, depending on your plan, teams as well. It's designed to give you a clean, centralized view of everyone connected to your account. This is helpful for quickly confirming who has access, spotting duplicates, and understanding how your organization is structured inside Monday.com. If you manage a growing team or work with external collaborators, this is the hub that keeps everything visible and manageable. Finally, click on Users. This is the heart of user management. Here, you'll typically see each person's name, role, status, and other relevant details. Use the search and filtering tools to quickly find someone by name or role. This view is where you can review who is active, who hasn't accepted an invite yet, and who may need their access adjusted. It's also where you can keep an eye on seat usage and make sure your plan matches your team size. A few best practices while you're here. Keep your list clean by periodically reviewing inactive or duplicate entries. Follow the principle of least privilege. Grant the lowest role someone needs to do their work, and upgrade only when necessary. For external collaborators, choose limited access options to protect sensitive boards and data. When team members leave, make sure their access is removed promptly and their work is transferred to an appropriate owner to avoid disruptions. And if you're scaling, set a simple naming or team convention so that the directory stays organized as you grow. That's it. By clicking your profile picture, choosing Administration, opening Directory, and selecting Users, you've reached the command center for managing people in Monday.com with confidence.